welcome back to my video. Today we have an unboxing. I hope you cannot hear the dishwasher in the back, but I'm filming this in my kitchen area because it's currently 7:30. That's the microwave. I got home not too long ago, made sure Chloe was okay, and I ate dinner. So this is about the time that I start unwinding because I do get home a little later, but I wanted to share this unboxing with you guys because I had such a hard time acquiring this item and it's not why you think it was. So let's get into this unboxing. It is my first purchase from Fashionphile and I'm so excited. Everybody knows when I do an unboxing, I have to do a little chit chat. So before we get into the unboxing, I will put an annotation here if you want to skip, but I have to give you guys the background. So I wanted this bag. Let me turn that. And you'll have to excuse me because I am having a Mike's Hard Lemonade because these are like my favorite and I'm unwinding after a long day, so. Okay. So this is the bag that I have wanted for years. This is no new bag. It's just something that I've wanted for years because it's so functional. A lot of times when I go on vacation, I like to bring a smaller crossbody bag. When I do go on vacation, I like to vlog a lot of times. And I like bringing my Louis Vuitton Eva clutch, but that bag really isn't deep enough for my camera that I use. So I needed a bag. This was a need. And I didn't want to pay full price for this bag because I think it's a little overpriced for how small it is and the fact that I can't wear this day to day. Like I wouldn't wear this bag to work, maybe on like casual Friday, but I like bringing my Louis Vuitton No Way to work and that bag is a huge bucket. So I knew that I didn't want to pay retail for this bag. Combined with the fact that now when you buy this bag retail, you can really only get it in black, red, and nude, and I just wanted something a little different. You guys know my preference with bags is if it's a really popular bag, I like it to be in maybe a different colorway or something, just so that it doesn't look like everybody else's bag. So I decided to go on Fashionphile mainly because they had a large selection. Look at Chloe, get out of the kitchen, baby. They had a large selection of bags and they were for really great prices, and I will tell you the price of this bag because it's not something that you can buy like in Saks or something, or the Gucci store. So that's my story behind this bag. I know a lot of ladies who have it and they love it, and I needed this bag. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. As you know, it came from Fashionphile. So the first thing in the box is a little thank you card, which is so cute, with a little heart on the back. And then I was super excited to see this. I actually got their 2000 baby. Go back. Chloe, go back. There's not a video in the kitchen without telling Chloe to go back. Chloe, stay. Stay, thank you. So this is Fashionphile's 2018 calendar, which is so cute. It features different bags, and I'm gonna put this in my office, and people are gonna think that I'm over the top because they already do, but I just thought this was too cute. Now, if you want to get this calendar, go on Fashionphile's Instagram and they will show you how to get it. So next I have this Fashionphile card. And I'm pretty sure this is, well, I don't know. It comes with a Fashionphile certified tag. This is a Fashionphile certified item. I have my receipt and then information about selling to Fashionphile. So let's get into the unboxing. It also came with a bunch of cute little tissue paper. But let's get to the good part. It comes with this pink tag that says used is the new new. And I wholeheartedly support pre-loved bags because I like to save a couple dollars. So the bag didn't come with a Gucci dust bag, but it did come with a really nice Fashionphile dust bag. And without further ado, the bag that I got is the Gucci Soho Disco. Look at this color, guys. So this color is called Peonia Rose, I believe. And I did purchase this bag for $725 on Fashionphile, which I think is a great price for this bag. It's in pretty good condition. The only wear I can tell is that the leather has softened a bit, But the bag is in excellent condition. It still smells like leather. Chloe, I said go back. Go back. The leather tassel is in nice condition. It has some bubble wrap inside. And there are really no noticeable marks. So like I said, the reason why I really wanted to get this bag, the zipper is a little stiff, but I can fix that. I really wanted to get this bag because I needed a camera style bag to keep my camera in. And I think this will be perfect for going on vacation or taking to the mall, wearing on weekend trips. So I cannot wait to start using this baby. I will probably wear her this weekend because I have like a little get together to go to. But yeah, I hope you guys like this unboxing of my newest Gucci bag. I really wanted to get this color because it's so different than the traditional red and black, but it's still dark enough and versatile enough to go with, I think, anything that you wear. So I'm really excited and I love it. I will definitely do like a review slash what's in my bag after I've been using it for a while. It does feature an adjustable strap. I'm just so happy. I'm thrilled. It did take about a week and a half for me to get it because FedEx didn't re-deliver my package, because as you know, you have to sign for Fashionphile purchases and I go to work every day. So I think if I buy from them in the future, I'm gonna have them delivered to my office. But I'm super excited. So if you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.